Okay, I'm here with a man, and your name is Eduardo.
Oh, my name is Eduardo Dapuyen.
And what year were you born?
Where were you born? Kano na kaya
I was
nakan?
born in Gregorio del Pilar, Ilocos Sur.
And what year? 1938?
1930, according to my baptismal certificate.
And so that makes you 87 years old.
Oh,
Oo,
supposed to be.
87.
So I'm curious because you're old age, and we're here in the Philippines. So your experience with the Spanish language, can you tell me about that when you were a youth?
Kung ano Spanish language na mom.
Wala na. I cannot speak any Spanish. It's true that we have units in Spanish when we were in college, but we have forgotten already. Because we did not use it. That's why we have forgotten.
You were telling me earlier, you know one phrase in Spanish.
Tay among kanong Spanish eh?
Huh?
Tay among mga
The
Spanish.
only name that I got, Chiores. What is the point?
Yan lang.
Peores.
Or another one is
Is,
oh,
Keura is, ano?
that I they don't stuck in where were you born?
That what kind of snow is this?
Just wait, Alex. Talking.
They didn't stuck in.
What is the meaning of that? Istaki.
They don't
Di
stuck in.
Istaki, ganon.
De donde es means where are you from? Yeah. And yeah, that's it. Where are you from? De donde es? I guess that. So you and I know that in the old days, Spain was ruling here as a colonial power for 300 years approximately. Yes. So in the old days, Jose Rizal, Manuel Quezon, these people can speak Spanish. But in your experience, when you were a teenager or in your 20s, in the 1950s, you don't know any Spanish speakers. No more. You're from Ilocos
But
Sur.
the old people before when you were still a teenager, I heard some of them speaking in Spanish, especially the priest. The
Okay.
priest before. But the priest now, they cannot speak Spanish anymore.
In the 1950s, some priests could still speak Spanish.
Yes, Spanish.
Okay.
And Spanish and Biljan.
And what?
In Biljan. Because
Belgium.
most
Oh,
of the
Belgium.
priests who came here during the olden days, they came from Belgium.
Oh.
That's why they speak Biljan.
Oh.
But they can still speak also English.
Mm-hmm.
The priest. They can speak English, they can speak Spanish.
Spanish.
Because to become a priest, you have to learn several languages. And then specialty of the priest, Spanish, Belgian, and English. These are the three languages. And those priests who were assigned in the place where the language Ilocano, they have to learn Ilocano also. At the time.
So you learned Spanish, but not from your parents or your grandparents. You learned just from school.
From school only.
A little only,
Mm-hmm.
just for requirements. But we were not forced to master it. After schooling, no, we never use. No, we have forgotten.
And then you said to me earlier that in 1950s, the government decided no more. We don't need Spanish anymore. Yeah. It's
yet,
useless
not yet.
now.
Way back 1960s,
1960s.
so then 70s then.
Yeah.
Exactly, it was forbidden to teach. Instead of Spanish, another school tools. Yeah.
So this is, I guess, used to be Spanish, but then the Americans came here. Now it's English.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. So some people online are saying Philippines still has Spanish speakers, but I think I can't find any. Not anymore.
You know, the history like this, the history of the Philippines, you know, after 300 years, Spanish ruled the Philippines.
Hmm.
But the question was, the people who were sent here from Spain are the people who are scrupulous, even the priest. They use the Philippines to put down those who are not good citizen in Spain. Even the government, that's why they made the Philippines as basorak man.
Garbage.
They make it as a garbage of those people who are not good in Spain.
Yeah.
That's why for a period of 300 years, they made the Filipinos, the original Filipinos, became also scrupulous people. Right?
So
Because
that,
they were trained like that. Now, when George Dewey discovered also the Philippines, he's an American. So they fought during the Spanish regime. No? Now, Rizal discovered that the Spanish is doing no good to the Filipinos. That's why he wrote two kinds of books to inculcate the Filipinos to go against the Spaniards. Now, the Spaniards, they were able to discover that they have to kill Jose Rizal so that he will not open the mind of the Filipinos. It so happened that during that time, that's the time that revolt doon. That's why there are already battle here, battle there. Now, it so happened that the American came to the Philippines. Then they fought the Spaniards here. They were defeated. Oh, after defeating the Spaniards, alright, we have to educate you. The Americans said, we have to educate you. That's why they doing the American regime, little years only, the education in the Philippines free. But the Spaniards, they did not do that. They did not want that the Filipinos will learn. But the Americans, because they are democratic, hey, we have to teach you how to run your country. Yeah. You have to teach you to read and write. That's why they build schools in different places. Now, after several years, some Filipinos are very greedy also, insist that they are asking independence that you allow us also to rule our country. Way back Quezon. Quezon was educated through the Spanish. Quezon now, he claimed that the Filipinos should be free. Now, then the Americans said, "Oh yes, but we will still train you." That's why they organized the Commonwealth government. Commonwealth government. That is Commonwealth government is time to teach the Filipinos to rule their own country.
Kaya bantan dahil si Manon
Now,
si Balon niyo.
after several they were given a little independence. Oh, the Japanese came here. They want to grab again the Filipinos. The Filipinos then, the Filipinos and the Japanese, then they fought against each other because we do not want to come here. We do not want you Japanese to come here. But the Japanese was during that time is more intelligent comes to one. Immediately 3 months, 3 months only, the Philippines were defeated. Now, the American side, especially Douglas MacArthur said, I will soon go back. I will soon go back to regain the Philippines. That's why after 3 years, the Japanese reigned the Philippines. Then Douglas MacArthur was then the general, which so happened that they were schoolmate with the General Yamashita in America. Douglas MacArthur, they had been schoolmate. Oh, so Douglas MacArthur is very bright. He came to the Philippines, then he defeated again the Spaniards, i.e. the Japanese. The Japanese they were defeated. And the question, the Japanese did not follow the international law of war. They killed Filipinos. They killed, they used the women as a comfort women. Oh, that's why when they were defeated, the Americans and the Japanese went to the World Court. World Court. That's why the Japanese were defeated, so that they have to pay the Filipinos. Only recent years that they start paying to the Philippines because of their sin. They had been giving dump truck, they had given bulldozer to the Philippines to pay their debt from the Philippines. That's why.
Yeah.
That was the prayer. Now, after several years, then the Filipinos said again, please, American, give us independence. Rojas, claim again. Then I forgot the year.
1946.
1946. The American give the independence to the Philippines until now.
Yeah, 1946. After the war.
Since World War II.
Yeah.
That is the history of the Philippines.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit want to speak English before we get I am not using it for 20 years. That's why I am a little bit unlike before when I was still a student in college. I can deliver a speech straight in English, but now no more. Especially that I'm already old. I have a very defective ear, defective head because my head was operated. My brain was operated. I happened to have 3 heart attack. So my intelligence a little bit get down.
So these days, I guess in Philippines you have many words that are in Spanish that you use. Like you use the word basura, that's from Spanish, and you have words like la cama, la mesa, cocina, tinidor, cuchara. You have many Spanish words, calvo.
Spanish words. Those are Spanish.
Yeah. But
Tinidor ba is Spanish?
yeah.
Even the name of the
Cuchara, calvo.
even the name of the Filipinos, most of the name of the Filipinos are Spanish version.
Yeah, Spanish
For
names.
example, Juan, Pedro, those are Spanish version.
Pero si te digo algo en español, ¿me puedes entender? No entiendes nada. Hindi maintindihan, di ba?
We cannot understand anymore.
I cannot understand Spanish anymore. Unas palabras.
Ay, oo. Yung palabras.
Las palabras. Ano?
Words.
Ay, words.
Only a few words. Yeah, only a few Spanish words you understand.
Unas palabras. Palabras, what is the English after that?
Words.
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 You have some of your vocabulary is still in Spanish. Yeah. Like baño.
Oh,
Baño, the bathroom.
bathroom banyo.
Yeah.
Ay,
Some vocabulary of Spanish mixed with some
English version.
some with
A few Spanish words mixed in Tagalog, mixed in Ilocano.
mixed in Tagalog. Spanish
Yeah.
words mixed in Tagalog. So,
But I would say today you can't find any more Spanish speakers. No more Jose Rizal, no more Manuel Quezon. If I could travel back in time, I could speak in Spanish with Jose Rizal. Yeah, he was a Spanish speaker.
even the family of Villanueva in Narvacan, the forefathers were Spanish. They can speak.
But today, even in your time, even when you were young, in 1950s, 60s, yeah, no more Spanish. Yeah. Replaced by English.
Natay ko good morning din, this Spanish.
How about good morning? Spanish of good morning.
Buenos dias.
Ay,
Hello,
buenos
buenos
días, señor.
días.
Good morning, sir. Buenos días, señor. Amo, pagkita ini.
Buenos dias, senyor. Good morning, sir. Ganon.
Yeah.
Ay,
Buenos días, señor.
Buenos
Good
días.
morning, sir.
nakalimutan ko na yan.
Buenas tardes. Good afternoon.
Buenas tardes.
Mm,
In Japan, what is that? Buenos días. In Japan na?
no.
Amon ni ko na dyan. Ha?
Arigato, hindi.
Ano tayo, buenos días iti.
How about in Japan? Buenos dias.
I don't know Japanese.
Anang mo.
Ay,
Muchas gracias, señor, por hablar conmigo. Thank you for talking with
Muchas
me.
gracias. What is that in English?
Thank you very much.
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias. Maraming salamat para mag-usap sa akin.
Buenos días. Buenos días. Neden?
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Salamat.
Yeah. Maraming
Thank you.
salamat.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias. Thank you.
Mucho gusto.
Sa bagay, no, hindi ko makalkalpas tiko.
That age of Lolo,
No,
ma-invite
ngata,
me
hindi
for
kalkalpas
that
ay kuliyo ko.
reading.
Mausar ko mamuti
Buenos
iyo sa
días.
ay kisang ko kumanalipatan. Saan mo
87.
Even in English, maparikit ako mga kasut English na to. Kat ili kat makikonpunti sa to, improve to speech.
Thank you. Thank you for talking with me about Spanish and the history of the Philippines.